So we're here. It's about 7 in the morning.
We are members of Barstool Sports. A group of 14 of us came to Istanbul for a hair transplant at ISTANBul. The city is incredible. Hospital looks amazing.
This is the nicest hospital I've ever been to. All right, hat off. Hello.
Now we're heading to meet the doctor. We'll see what happens, so.
Hello.
Hello, so nice to see you over in person. Merhaba, Jack.
Merhaba, hoş geldiniz.
Okay.
All right, this is the last time White Sox Dave's going in. One last rub.
One last rub.
Good luck, Dave. He won't let me in. They're kicking me out.
Hello, doctor. How are you?
Where are you from?
Chicago.
New York.
USA.
Much simpler.
Can you switch?
Yes.
Which area is most important for you? Crown?
Yeah, I think where it's balding the most is the most important.
Okay. This is your existing hairline almost.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good.
Under the line, we will add some irregular
Okay, cool.
zigzag.
Amazing. Yeah, finally get that shit fixed. Very excited. Thank you. Looks perfect.
Here we go. Let the doc officially kind of diagnose me.
Do you have any question?
I don't think so.
Hey, we'll give it a point. Yeah, there we go.
I haven't had the dual mirror shot like that.
Yeah.
Oof.
That was tough.
That's eye-opening.
Yeah. Amazing.
If you are ready, we can start.
All right.
I'm ready.
It will be your room for next hour.
Okay. Oh, it's so weird. It's so cool. Yeah, I just never seen myself with like a shaved head, like ever. Like maybe since I was in high school.
You look like you love it, so I'm gonna lock the door right now because we can run
No,
away.
I'm not going out.
Yeah, I'm excited to get the 8-hour process started.
They're still here, yeah.
You still going, Dave?
Good. What's up, buddy?
Doing good.
How's it going?
Doing good. Full anesthesia. Full. I think my head's just slowly starting to inflate before we start the implantation procedure.
All right.
Oh my god,
It's good stuff, right?
that's amazing. What's
Yeah.
the sauce in there? Where'd you get this?
Like across the street.
That's
Yeah.
that's really freaking good. All the food here's been so good. It was pretty easy. I mean, they get the anesthesia in, it's like little pricks. That always just hurts no matter what. But after that, it's like it just almost feels like someone's like picking through like a piece of like balsa wood, like something like a light wood, and just like slowly pulling. I fell asleep there at one point. Like it was it's relaxing. And these guys have good taste in music too, and they're playing music, so it just slowly lulls you to sleep. So really, everything's been really easy so far.
Can you please rate the anesthetic, like pain level?
Pain level?
1 to 10.
Like-
1 is the lowest one, 10 is the highest one. What do you think?
So the prick part is like a 2, maybe at maximum, and like after that it's a 0. So because the anesthetic kicks in, but like it just the only thing the prick feels weird, but like the more painful part is like when you feel like the fluid going, I guess. But after that it's like nothing. It feels great. When I think you go and you look at all of the reviews for the other clinics, I think you guys have had the best. And when you look at the other like the pictures, even just like the results. They're incredible. They're amazing, and you always want to go to the best, right?
I don't know.
Exactly.
If you are happy,
Very happy. Yeah, very happy. I have one more question for you.
yes.
So most people here have 3 more days in Turkey. What
Yes.
is one thing that they must do?
They must do.
Yeah.
Eating kebab.
Yes.
You think about
Eating
Eating
kebab
kebab.
and baklava.
Baklava.
Baklava, Turkish baklava.
Okay, great.
Also, we have very sightseeing places. You must see.
Bosphorus tour, maybe.
Bosphorus tour,
Yes.
maybe.
We're going on a Bosphorus
Yeah,
tour
also.
on the
Yes.
5th.
Yeah, we have very historical museums also. You can visit, but please keep safe your grapes, okay? Very careful about this.